So if you're looking for a really nice addition to your garden, whether you're an amateur gardener or indeed a serious horticulturalist, this Zest for Leisure planter is absolutely ideal. And all the timber is sourced from responsibly managed forests. So you're also helping the planet. And what is nice, there's no need to bend when planting, as it comes raised on sturdy legs. Both this 1.8 metre and the smaller and equally sturdy 1 metre planters are a practical and attractive way to plant or grow your own. So if you're interested in this fabulous planter or in any of the other products in the Zest for Leisure range, they're all available online and through your local retail stockists.